Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have two super easy holiday designs for you guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate them. Alright, we're jumping right in here. I'm starting out with the Light Elegance new green color. I have no idea what the name is. I think it's like Taiwan and TAIWAN, something like that. Don't quote me on that. I'm so sorry that I butchered that name. Have no idea what the gel name is talking about, but I'm going to use that and I'm going to apply that on every finger besides the ring finger on this hand, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. I almost forgot, before I cure it in the light, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Cinnamon, and I'm going to apply that on the ring finger, and then I'm going to cure it. And you guys, cinnamon is just so pretty. I forgot how beautiful it was until I just like grabbed it. Like, I have to use this year. Like, oh my goodness, super beautiful. So after I'm done curing that, I'm going to go back in and I'm just going to do a second coat of each color. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a cure in my light again for another 30 seconds. Now I'll be taking my Beauty Big Bang plate, and this is their plate number 5, and I'm going to take that kind of plaid design and I'm going to stamp that. So now I'm going to be taking that Born Pretty plate, and this is the BPL-032 plate, and I'm going to be taking that deer design and I'm going to be stamping that. And it didn't come up as good as I would like, so I did 2 layers of that. Now I'm just adding the Light Elegance Super Shiny Top Coat, and I'm applying that to all of the nails. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with some pretty inexpensive studs that I got off of AliExpress. I'm going to apply that on the pointer finger and the pinky finger, and then give it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. And this is the finished result for set number 1. Moving right along to my next design, I'm going to be taking Light Elegance Gold glitter gel, and I'm going to be applying that on the pinky finger and the pointer finger just halfway, so that I can do a glitter fade, or I should say a glitter ombre. Once I'm done applying that, I'm going to go in with the Light Elegance Tiny Diamond, and I'm going to blend those 2 colors together and then give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to apply a second layer of that gold glitter gel to my to the pinky and the pointer finger. And now I'm going to go in on that ring finger, and I'm going to kind of do, I don't know what kind of pattern that is. It's not really a pattern, but I'm just going to go back and forth between the two glitter gels and apply it on the nails, and you guys can see me doing it here. If you were applying this on, or if I were applying it on a client, I probably would have cured it in between each layer, but on here I didn't. I just kind of wanted it to morph together a little bit so that it was an even surface than it would be if I just cured each section at a time kind of thing. So I was trying to be so careful, you guys, not to get any glitter or any gel on my practice hands. So I think that's like my biggest setback with these practice hands, I would say, is just trying to take care of them kind of thing. I'm so nervous about it. You know, if it were myself or if it was a client, I can easily, you know, grab some alcohol and wipe it up, but I just feel like it's just so delicate and I don't want to ruin it because I just got them. So please bear with me on my sets. I'm trying to not be so cautious with them. Alright, after I cure that in the light, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to place tiny diamond all over the middle finger there, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with that same Light Elegance Gold glitter gel, and I'm going to take my detailer brush and I'm going to be making a little reindeer. So I just thought it was super cute. I really wanted to do it with glitter, so yeah, that's what I did. And you guys, if you guys are going to recreate this set, you can definitely like outline it in black or do something a little bit different so that it shows up a little bit better for you guys. But yeah. And once that's done curing, I'm going to go back in with my Light Elegance Super Shiny Top Coat. I'm going to apply that on all of the nails, and before I cure it, I'm going to go in with some inexpensive black crystals, and I'm going to make the eyes and a small little red Swarovski crystal for the little reindeer nose. And then I'm going to cure it in my light for a full 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like these looks, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!